Hi, welcome to Jimmy Vehicle Sales. The weather is typical Scottish weather. Horizontal rain, snow, sleet, couldn't ask for better. So we thought we'd take this master of this weather out for a drive, Land Rover Evoque 2016 model. So, into the car, out of the cold weather, we do have a nice cosy cockpit. This car is finished in the two-tone ivory and lunar leather interior. It's also got a few nice features, as Land Rovers normally come with. Leather covered steering wheel, along with multi-function steering wheel here as well, so you've got the ability to control the display in front of you through the steering wheel. You've got your cruise control and even controls for the radio here and your Bluetooth for your phone. In the centre, you've got your nice 8-inch full colour screen, which is all touch screen, as you can see here, and does come with sat nav as well. The other feature that this one does have is when you select reverse, it comes up with your reversing camera. Looking down onto the features down on the control panel at the bottom here, we do have, of course, your front heated seats, which is very much needed at this time of year. With this Land Rover Range Rover Evoque being the HSE Dynamic, it also even comes with the panoramic roof. Again, for the driver's comfort and the front passenger's comfort, we also have on the side memory seats for both passenger and driver. So this car does have a keyless start. As you can see, the start stop buttons up on the left here is the new 2-litre diesel engine, which comes with 180 brake horsepower, and obviously this is automatic and 4-wheel drive. Contact us for part exchange valuations and finance examples now. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.